like a kind of energy. He may enter to the body, then the mind, the belonging of the body, the mind of the man who belongs that body change or I think suppress. The entering energy is super. The entering energy is super one. The man, he has the real energy is poor. Then he suppresses it and he tries to sit sometimes inside in a man. We call it possessed. Do you understand it? Or if there are many evidence, you know, I think the American very famous scientist, now he died in the last year, he collected more evidence. I think some spirit enters to living body. Then the spirit or the mind of that person goes up away, and just a moment another spirit enters to his body. Then it means the super energy suppress the lower energy, then he can enter the body. That is the way. Now you know, then the current AC, it is high, DC is low. So battery current is low, but AC current suppress the low current like this. The high spirit suppress the lower spirit, then he can reside the body, I think, limited time. What actually are devas, nagas, pretas and ghosts? Are ghosts always hungry or horrible looking? Are devas always being radiant? I think I told you earlier, mind is energy. If the human being like piece of magnet, you know the piece of magnet, the one side is the magnet power push outside, the other side get into it. You understand? The energy works from the point in outside, and another energy works outside from the point. It called in English centrifugal and centripetal. These two ways the energy is action, and we are always living and opening our five sense doors to the outside world. We always collecting everything through our mind. When we go to the sleep, with the Patron five sense door, then we produce again, producing outside our thought. I told the biofeedback, then we take this kind of thought. Then the human beings are, or every beings are, collection of energies. Now, energies have two kinds, positive and negative. The same way, our mind or our words or our thought divided into two ways. Good thought and bad thought. Good thought means negative, the bad, good thought is positive, the bad thought is negative. Then, bad thoughts always we arise in anger, it is not so good. It is not so good for the physically. One who arouses in anger in him, it is not so good for him. It is bad energy. And when we do some puja or any other thing, in our mind is peace and calm, good energy. Like, according to the energy. The good energetic bodies are radiant. The good energetic bodies can be radiant. But the poor energetic bodies not so radiant. But according to the Devas and Nagas, in the olden days, the people, I think they don't have any religious mind. And they are always looking up in the sky. They think the sun is God, the sky is God, like this. Then they think the bright one is Deva, the bright energy. I think bright energetic bodies are, brilliant bodies are good there. But I think gloomy, not so bright, they are Theta or ghost. It is a real word. Theta means, according to our Pali language and Sanskrit language, Theta means pra-ita. Pra-ita or Sanskrit Pali pa-ita. Pa kyanne here. Ita kyanne pa kyanne here. Ita kyanne ghost. It means go from here something. Preta means, pra-ita means goes from something, some place goes from something. I explain to you. Pra-ita. It means he had gone from. Preta means had gone from some place to some place. You understand? Preta means dead one. Dead, real meaning dead. But later, I told you some older people, they are think Preta is very fearful and very troublesome people. But the ghosts are commonly energetic bodies. The Nagas are special kind of people. Nagas, even now in the East India, they have they worship the cobra, and their clan is Naga. Like the Naga means one clan of a human being. And the Sri Lanka was here mixing with Deva and Naga. Naga means human being. Naga, another name, serpent. Naga, another cobra or Naga. But the people who worship the cobra, even now, you go in the Nepal, there are in the region, even now the people worship the cobra and make food and give them, and they is called Naga clan. The Naga, I think when some kind of people, it is a clan. Another meaning,